Meaning of hand me up.
Hand me up.
Hand me up.
Hand me up.
Hand me up. A hand-me-up is an item that is given to someone by someone else who no longer needs or wants it. Hand-me-ups can be anything from clothing to furniture to electronics. They are often given to family members, but they can also be given to friends or even strangers. Hand-me-ups can be a great way to save money and reduce waste. They can also be a way to build relationships and create memories. When you receive a hand-me-up, you are not just getting an item, you are also getting a piece of someone else's life.